Hey guys, welcome to Motoroids. My name is Amit and this is the all new Tata Safari, and we have done a very detailed review of this car. And if you're interested in this car, you can go ahead and have a look at that link which is right there, and you'll be able to know everything about this car in that very detailed in-depth video. We have also done a shorter format pros and cons video of this car, and if you don't have that much time, you can probably go and have a look at that video as well. In this video, I'm going to let you know as to how to use the intelligent real-time assist, or what is more popularly known as IRA or Ira app, and what all can it do, especially on the new Tata Safari. It's an app that has been much talked about. It provides you the capability of running diagnostics on your car while you are sitting in the comfort of your home. You can also geofence your car, and there are a lot of other features also which are available in this really nice app which Tata has made for its set of cars. So today I'm going to let you know how to download the app and how to use it and what features are available. So let's get going with this. We're using an Android phone here. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go ahead and go to Play Store and download the Ira app. You just have to type Ira, and here it is. Let's open it. You have to give the permissions, whatever permissions are required. You have to allow the app to have those permissions, especially this do not disturb access. You have to go to Tata Motors IRA in the list and specifically give the permission to allow the do not disturb function. Now once the permissions have been granted, let's get started. Now the number that is assigned to every car is different, and this is done at the back end level, and you'll have to get in touch with the service people at Tata to have your number associated with the car that you own. And in our case, this media car has been assigned a number, so we'll just punch that number in. Now you can also use fingerprint authentication, but I don't want to be setting it up. If you want to set up fingerprint authentication, you can go ahead and do that. I'm allowing whatever permissions this app wants because I'm going to be deleting it anyway after some time. So now the app has been set up, and this is the home screen. It shows the range of the car. It also shows me the amount of fuel that's there in the car, the time when the app was last synced, the name of the car, and it's showing me an overview of my car. And as you can see, there are a lot of icons here. So let's start off with this icon on the left. Now the one thing that you need to be mindful of is that this app is supposed to function when the car is turned off and locked. So I'll do that. I have now turned the car off and locked it, so that it's simulating an environment where I'm away from the car and controlling all these things from the comfort of my home. Now it's showing the location of my car right now. It will show me my trip history, which obviously is not there because I have not used this app before. And I can also set a trip. This is my location, and I can choose a destination and set a trip before I enter the car. Now apart from this, if I move forward here, I can run a diagnosis on my car, and it will tell me if there is something wrong with my car, remotely, mind you. So everything is fine. Airbag status, brake system, powertrain, tire pressure, and service. Everything is fine. Let's move on to the next icon, and from here I can either turn on the lights or blow the horn. Alright, so let me start off by turning the lights of the vehicle on, and this is the button for that. Let me just press it. It's awaiting response from the vehicle, and the lights as it's showing now have been turned on. Now let me try turning the hazard lights on, and there you go, the hazard lights have been turned on remotely. So you can control the exterior lighting of the car using this app. Let's see what else we can do. I can blow the horn if I want, like so. Now let me go to the location options. See, now it's showing me the location of my car, and I can turn Geofence Alert on when the car is leaving a set area, which means I can set a radius. If the car leaves that radius from my location, it can be 1 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 30, 50, or whatever radius I want to assign, and whenever the car is leaving that area, I'll get a notification. Similarly, I can set it for entering an area, and if the car is entering an area within a radius from where the car is right now, I'll get a notification. Now this is the valet mode, and in the valet mode, what you can do is you can set the radius to any number of kilometers. If you are leaving the car with someone and you don't want them to go further than a certain number of kilometers, then you can assign that radius here, and if the car leaves that area, you'll get a notification. Let's go to the next icon, and you can assign your emergency contacts. Here there is a bit of a gamification where the driver behavior has been rated. You can explore tribes, where you can associate with fellow Tata owners to plan your drives, etc. There is an app tour which lets you know everything about the app, and there is time fence also. So for example, if you're going away from your home and you have someone at home who might be misusing your car, you can set a time fence where from a certain date to certain date, if anyone exceeds a certain speed limit, you will get a notification. Finally, you have the SOS function, where if you have had a crash or you are in an emergency, you can call SOS and you will be given help. Then apart from this, you can go directly to your location. This will show you the list of the nearest Tata Motors showrooms or service stations. You can talk to the Tata Motors customer care, and this is the notification bell. So that's all there is to the IRA, or the Intelligent Real Time Assist, or IRA app, and it's pretty simple to use, and we really hope that this video was of some use to you. And if you have a Tata car which is IRA app enabled, we'll encourage you to download the app and use it, because it has got a lot of features. If you like this video, do share it with your friends who have a Tata car, and do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, this is Amit Changani signing off. Rev hard, rev free, drive safe.